continue to the next session. Topic is regression lines. The question is, with usual notation, compute x bar, y bar and r from the following lines of regression. It is given y is equal to 0.516x plus 33.73 and x is equal to 0.512y plus 32.52. Coming to the solution, we know that the regression lines passes through x bar, y bar. Therefore, passes through x bar means x bar is equals to 0.512y plus 32.52 and y bar is equals to 0.516x plus bar 33.73. So to solve this type of equations, to get the values of x and y, we'll write that is x bar, shift this to the left side, so 0.512 y bar is equals to 32.52 and y bar minus so it is not y bar, first term is 0.516x, so shift this, so it becomes minus 0.516x and plus, as it is left hand side only, plus y bar is equals to 33.70. So we have to solve. Now call this is equation 1 and call this is equation 2. Here we have to solve simultaneously equation 1 and 2. So 1 and 2. On solving we get what we'll get. So we'll use the calci. See, already you know from last several sessions, it is press 3 times. Next equation, linear equations, unknowns. How many unknowns are there? 1 and 2, x and y. So it is 2. Next press A1. A1 is, so 1x, it is 1. Next press equal to symbol. Next B1 is, it is 0.512. So it is 1 and it is minus 0.512 equals to, next C1 constant, it is 32.52. Next A2 is minus 0.516 equals to B2 is nothing but 1y, it is 1. Next equals to constant, it is 33.73. So we will get x is equals to, we get x is equals to 67.666. I will write 67.67. Okay. Next value of y is 68.646. I will write 68.65. So y is equals to 68.65. X bar is equal to y bar equal to. What we have to calculate here? So compute x bar, y bar. We got x bar and y bar, and next r we have to find out. Next to solve for I, so we have a formula like this. We know that r is equals to plus or minus under square root coefficient of x, in bracket you write coefficient, so coefficient of x into coefficient of y is equals to plus or minus coefficient of x directly from question. So coefficient of x, it is 0.516 into coefficient of y, it is 0.512. So this answer we have to get within r is equals to, always it lies between r is equals to -1, in between -1 and +1. So we are going to get here plus or minus 0.51 by calculating, after calculating. So next we have to choose the symbol, either plus or minus. We must take the sign of r to be positive. We'll choose positive. Why it is? Since both the regression coefficients are positive. Here regression coefficients are, here it is positive 0.516 and positive 512. So thus x bar we got, so x bar is nothing but 67.67, y bar is equals to 66.65, and r is equals to, it is plus or minus, since the coefficient of x are positive, so we will choose positive, it is 0.51. This is the final answer for this type of problem. I hope you understood this problem.